Okay, I'm going to try to show you all what it looks like to candle an egg with a baby. Okay, I think this is a good one. There's the embryo. It's moving. These are approximately 7 days old. You can see the baby moving right there. See the embryo? And that's the air sac. And that's the embryo. That's a baby chicken. Let's see. Let's try another one. Okay. This one's in there. There he is. He's right there. See him moving? He's moving around pretty good. There he goes. I checked all these eggs earlier today, so I know they're good. Let's see. This is my little Bainey. This is my little Bainey egg. One of my Bainey eggs isn't doing real good. But this is a good one, I think. Yeah, there he is, moving right over. Hold on, I'll turn it a little bit. Okay. There he is. See? It's one of my little Bainey hens. Or rooster. Don't know yet. He's pretty active in there tonight. I'm not touching him, because I've handled him enough today. Yeah. Yeah. Let's see. Yeah, here's one. Here's another one. Right here. Yeah, he's in there. He's having a time tonight. A lot of healthy blood veins. He's going to town. He's a happy little chickie. But, anyway, I kind of wanted to show you all what I'm doing here. It's a healthy egg. Embryo's right in there somewhere. It must be like in the middle tonight. There's the air sac on the top. Let's see. There's another little Bainey. Another little Bainey one right here. Let's see, back in the... This one's pretty far back in the corner. It's hard for me to let you see. But anyway, this is what we got going on. There's the air sac here on top. This egg's brown. It's really hard to see through. It's a really dark egg. It's hard to see on this one. Ouch. But anyway, that's it. Hope y'all trip off that, because I did when I first did it.